Hello everyone. This is my video which explains a little bit more about Golf III GTI type headlights. Yeah, they look like that from the front. It's the right one, and like that from the back. Okay, so this is main power connector for wires in there. On the right there goes adjustment motor for low beams height, I mean. And at the moment it's simply a screw which fixes the reflector in one position, and you need to adjust the height of the low beam manually. A little bit later about that. So this big one in here, it is for the low beams, and this little one, it's for the high beams, H1 bulbs. And inside there, in the high beams, there goes a parking light, small bulb. Yeah, the yellow wire is for the low beams, and the white wire for the high beams. Okay. And now about the adjustment screws. I disassembled this old headlight so that I could understand it myself, and could properly adjust new headlights. This on the left one side is for adjusting beam from left to right. It's on the inside. It's near the high beams bulb. This one was the right headlamp, and this is the left headlamp from behind. So the screw on the inside adjusts lights from left to right, and the screw on the outside adjusts height of the beams, lower or higher. So this is basically it about the insides of the headlamp. You cannot put the bulb inside in the wrong way, because they are designed to fit only in one position here. In general, you need to release the spring on the back side of the reflector. This comes out approximately like that. Then you just take out the old bulb and put inside the new one if it's necessary. Approximately the same goes for the high beams, only the spring is a little bit smaller. Okay, now about the adjustment itself. In general, on this headlamp somewhere I saw it was written that the drop of the beam should be 1.2%. Well, in general, Where's my illustration? Perhaps you could see something here. In general, you need to measure how high the center of the headlamp is from the ground. On my car it's approximately 61 centimeters. So in general you need a screen. It can be a wall or anything flat, and you need to measure these centers of the headlamps and put some marks on the wall at the same height. And the drop for the flat side of the beam, this one, is approximately 1 centimeter per 1 meter of distance. If you are standing let's say 2 meters from the wall, then the upper part of the beam should be 2 centimeters lower than the center, and this is adjusted, as I already told you, with the outside screw of the headlamp. And yeah, this is how the beams should look like. This V-shaped beam, higher on the right side and flat on the left side. So to adjust this V should be right going from the center of the headlamp, right from here. It's left headlamp from the top, right from the center. You should measure straight line, and yeah, this V, the bottom side, should be in the middle, and this is adjusted by the inside screws above the high beams. And there is a little bit tricky, this adjustment, because when you turn the screw clockwise to the right, looking from the behind, I think it pulls on the reflector. So the reflector goes to the left. It goes to the left on the right headlamp, and when you pull it on the left headlamp, it goes to the right. But in general, you should mark the old position, and then by turning these adjustment screws, you will see which to where this beam goes, this V-shaped beam. Does it shift to the left or to the right? And well, in general, that is it. 2 knobs, approximately 1 centimeter drop per 1 meter of distance, and so 2 meters from the car, this beam height should be approximately half a meter. I'm sorry, 58 centimeters. It's approximately 60 centimeters to the center, and 58 to the higher edge of the beam. Well, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you will be able to adjust yourself these golf free headlamps if necessary. Thank you, and goodbye.